G'day, this is a bit of update on the river levels at Katalee Bremer River, Ipswich. It's pretty high at the moment, like obviously not as high as a flood level, but it's still quite a way up. It's not actually flowing. I think the tide is at high at the moment. We get 2 metre highs here on the high tide. So if that's high tide, hopefully low tide will be another 2 metres below that. That's the tree that we were gauging it on when it was up at the starting to flood, and at the moment I'm gauging it on that beam there that's probably about 7 or 8 feet in the air. I thought I'd just show you a quick update on the 5th of March 2022 of the Bremer River. Obviously you know that my YouTube channel is for drive 80 matey adventures. I don't want to sound funny or optimistic or whatever, but it'd be great if people could subscribe to my channel, because in the future we'll be going on holidays and camping and posting our videos when we go camping. So please subscribe and like if you enjoy my channel. Alright, see yous.